Every challenge you meet is a chance to grow. Embrace them, for they lead you to success. Keep moving forward, and you'll reach your goals, one step at a time. Three tips to help you lose weight. 1. Don't skip breakfast. Skipping breakfast will not help you lose weight, and you could miss out on essential nutrients. 2. Eat regular meals. Eating at regular times during the day helps burn calories at a faster rate and reduces the temptation to snack on foods high in fat and sugar. 3. Eat plenty of fruit and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables are low in calories and fat, and they also contain plenty of vitamins and minerals.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Every challenge you meet
chance to grow. And you'll reach your goals. One step at a time.